Magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang unang game kabola ng Gilas Pilipinas. Ano po, napanalo po nila yon kontra po dito sa Hong Kong kabola. And it was a decisive victory kabola. And then one interesting po na rumor sa free agency kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Before we go there kabola, ito muna no. So, comments muna tayo. Rogelio Montero, panalo Blackwater dyan, 2-star player, mawawala sa TNT. In a way, hindi naman di ba? Kabola, hindi ko naman nakita ng 2-star player naman po yung bibigay na kay Pontalvo. At saka ito pong si Tungkab, hindi naman sila star player na level po kabola, no? Pero, of course, our assessment is a little bit advantage po dyan ang Blackwater if ganyan nga po yung trade po na mangyayari. Jones, Jerry says Stanhander po yan, Lods. Then shoutout ulit kay Sir Ronald Berbusidad, kabola. Again, sa mga gusto pong magpa-shoutout, comment nyo lang yan, kabola. And then let's go now to this successful first game ng Gilas Pilipinas under Coach Tim Cone this year, 2024 kabola. They defeated Hong Kong 30 points. And looking at the back score, it's amazing game, kabola. What an amazing performance. 33 assists out of 37 made field goals. That is perfect basketball, kabola. It was very fun to watch. Ang ganda, ang crisp po ng movements, kabola. And I think let's just buy in with the plan of Coach Tim Cone. He knows what he's doing, kabola. And malamang ang mga ifo-focus natin, nakita natin dito is yung amazing performance, kabola, ng tatlong mga batang player na atin pong inaasahan, kabola. Of course, Kyle Tamayo, although konti lang yung minuto niya, still have a good showing, kabola. Then of course, Kai Soto, 13 points, 15 rebounds, kabola. What an amazing double-double na pinakita niya. He maximized his size, kabola. Pero of course, at the center again of praises is no other than Kevin Kiambao. 17 minutes, 15 points, almost 1 point per minute, kabola. 3 rebounds, 2 assists with 1 3-pointers made. This guy is a complete package, kabola. And they're now anointing him as the real future of the Gilas Pilipinas national team, kabola. Pero overall, it doesn't necessary po na kailangan na po natin mag-map kung sino po talaga yung future sa kanila, kabola. Pero talagang napaka-interesting po ng future under dito nga, kabola, with Kevin Kiambao, kabola. And then kung nagtataka ka kung bakit ang haba pa rin po ng minuto nito pong si Justin Brownlee, now 27 minutes pa rin. Of course, they did that, kabola, para ma-shake na yung rest, diba, kabola. Pero again, overall, this is impressive, pero this is expected. Remember that Hong Kong, hindi naman po ito malakas, kabola, even in Asia. So expected po ito. So wag na tayo masyadong ma-high, kabola, dito sa mga panalo po na ganito. Of course, yung mga susunod po na mas mahirap na laban, yung talagang measurement, kabola. Pero overall, again, a very, very good sign for what is to come with Coach Tim Cone. He's really great. Now, ito na po, yung rumor, again, bring out by itong Snow Badwa, So, it's about Troy Rosario, who can then be eligible to become unrestricted at the end of his contract, kabola, kasi pasok po siya dun sa new rule. So it means any team can offer for him. So TNT can actually offer for him and he can return, kabola, kahit wala nang makukuha po na kapalit ang Blackwater Elite. And according to Snow Badwa, TNT is very interested to get him back, pero may isa silang matinding kalaban, and that will be San Miguel Beermen, kabola. So this will be very interesting kasi of course we have been building, kabola, the narrative that these two conglomerates that have been controlling the league is getting their friendship better, diba? Pero ito, mapapalaban na naman sila dito. Pero at the end of the day, it's competition. Overall, I think TNT is still the better choice. Unless, of course, yung difference po sa financial, malayo, po. So, kay Troy Rosario na yan kung ano pong gusto niya. Pero overall, I think TNT is still the better choice, kabola. Pero, of course, we are a big fan of Troy Rosario. Kung talagang ganito pa rin po ang galaw ng Blackwater Elite, di mas maganda na lang na makuha po natin siya, kabola, sa mga serious team like TNT or San Miguel. Kung baka ba sa palagay mo, saan kaya pupunta po si Troy Rosario? Comment lang po sa baba.